Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect WooCommerce to Facebook shop. So first step, you need to search for the WooCommerce and you need to create your account on the WooCommerce. And on the next tab you need to search for Facebook shop. So here you can see that how to set up a shop on Facebook and Instagram. Click on that and here you can see an option of create an account. So you simply need to click here. So basically you need to first create your account on the WooCommerce. So I'm going to continue with Google. You can select any of your accounts. So I'm going to select this one. And here you can see you need to set up your shop on Facebook. So click here and basically it will not took a lot of time to set up shop on the Facebook. And let me create account on WooCommerce here first. Click on continue with email and you need to wait for a few seconds here. Okay, please create an account to continue. So okay, now my account is created. Okay, here you can see my stores. You need to click on that and here you can see connect your store. Click on connect store and here you can see your store URL. So let's suppose I go on Facebook and I already created my shop. So let me go on to the marketplace and this is my listing and this is my Facebook marketplace listing, but I'm going to show you the method. Once your shop is ready, you simply need to come here, add that here and click on continue, and after that your WooCommerce is connected with Facebook shop. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.